video, I'm gonna be trying to get my first solo win on my channel. And on Fortnite.
So what's the channel?
So, let's get started. If you want to add me, my name is JackDomo34.
That's your channel?
No, that's not my channel.
What's your channel?
You see it. Okay. So, I need to make sure that Facecam's working, because I'm not too sure if it works. Let me turn this down real quick. My brother's in the background.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Jack's brother. And I'm waiting to get Fortnite on this way. You know I can just tap it.
So,
I'm on the
okay. So now we're going to go into the gameplay. We're going to be playing solo. Let's go. My first Season 5 play. So, I don't know how this is going to work.
You cheated.
I didn't say anything. No! Stop it! Ow! Okay.
I might hear me laughing on camera right now.
Okay, we're gonna wait for a match. There you go.
Free time!
So if I stop talking, that means I'm focusing. Hi. Hi. I'm using a webcam, which probably isn't a good idea.
Hi guys, what's up?
So, yeah.
Turn notification. What of my quality uploads?
Yeah, boy.
Inside.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. You suck. Okay, we're in. I'm gonna be trying out the new desert area place. Not really sure.
God dang it.
So I'm gonna try to go somewhere like the Paradise Palms. I don't think I'm gonna make it though. That guy doesn't even have a parachute. None of these people have a parachute. Now they do. That's weird.
Number 4, Tan the Man. That's what made on. Dude, Fortnite's 51% of my Fortnite.
I'm not very good at building.
Tell me
I'm not very good at this game in general.
So you like to, I made you like to Super Mario 06 on an accident. And, dude, Super Mario YouTube if you cheated is a joke. It's a joke video. Jack, what? 74.
My first gameplay this season. Sorry, it's big, it's laggy. There's someone in here. Oh, Jesus.
Fortnite. Wait, they saved Yoko Chief Physics Vectors on it now. Fish. See what's this fish?
They're just paranoid. I hear something.
3. DGR.
Ooh, baby. I don't know what just happened. Mine's being so laggy. I can't even tell what's happening. There's someone up there. Oh, Jesus, I can't see anything.
Don't pretend.
I can't see anything.
Be so fire.
I could
Dude,
not
that's
see
why.
a thing.
Dude, the city put
Shut
itself.
up.
The city put itself at number 1.
Jesus.
Shut up.
Okay. That was my first gameplay. I'm gonna go to Tilted Towers. You guys hear me better? Not very sure. You guys can't hear the music in the background. I don't think so. I didn't think I turned the background sound on. It's probably just me and my brother talking to you guys. So, yeah, this is the official start of my new channel. I might be able to pull this game off.
You put it on the window seal, Mommy. Good. I wanna.
Oh, Jesus, I have horrible aim. This is so laggy. It's insane. My game doesn't usually lag like this.
Oh, even don't record it so I can watch the video.
So,
I burnt down the camera. I burnt.
okay, let's just go to Fatal Fields. Cause I don't feel like dying today. Just someone else here. Jesus, even the textures are messed up. Right here. Oh, Jesus, no. What's happening? Okay. Oh, I got a suppressed pistol. Oh my God, let's make it. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. Goodbye. Peace out. I'm gonna do 2 games every episode. So bye. Like, comment, and subscribe.